everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do estaborar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord has collaborated with a retail website called drop.com. They have just mailed me on August 7th. Good thing is, it will last for a whole year. But before that, only 4% of you have subscribed to my channel. Make sure to sub to have a better chance of getting free Nitro. Now, this offer is not for the countries mentioned here like Syria, Russia, and all. I also think it's most likely region locked. I will let you know why this is the case. This offer is also for the ones who haven't had Nitro for the past 12 months. Nitro basic folks are not eligible for that. Now, if you don't know what drop.com is, it's retail a shipping website that can be used to ship electronics and stuff related to it. I mentioned electronics because that's all I can find on this website. It's similar to Elgato and Crosshair Promotions. If I am not wrong, this offer is only for the Americans because drop.com is an American website? I don't know, it's not in my country though. Now there's a problem here. The article says that only qualifying product/SKU will give you free Discord Nitro. But I don't know which products here could be categorized as qualifying or SKU since they don't have any indication or special banners. But moving on, after placing your order on drop.com, 24 hours later, you will receive a Discord Nitro redemption code directly into your mail, and I guess you know what to do after that. Just go to user settings, open gift inventory, and paste that code. After pasting that code, they will ask for payment method. Bear in mind that they won't charge you money, but they will just save your payment method so that you can buy Nitro in the following month after the current one expires. So yeah, I guess it would not be very wise to purchase an electronic from here just to get free Nitro. I mean, this Nitro isn't even for 1 year. But anyway, this will be helpful for you in case you purchase an electronic from drop.com. Anyway, you can join my Discord server. We give decors and layouts. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button since only my subscribers will have chance of getting free Nitro.